Alright, so before I go to dinner, I wanted to drop a little knowledge into a couple issues. Number one, heading into this week, okay? I'm feeling a little bit more aggro, a little bit more aggressive, so I bumped my max cost percentage up to 1.2%, okay? We are using EMA gain, not SMA, not BB, nothing else, so only EMA matters to me. The reason why I use 1334 for my EMA, simply because that's what I use to manually trade USDT to Bitcoin or anything else when I'm doing it myself. As far as my DCAs go, I'm pretty much not touching it. I like the trailing move that we made to 0.777%. It follows the DCA trail much better. So I like what I'm doing with that. Now, in this day and age in our crazy society, sometimes we come across gens, and sometimes there's just too much knowledge to miss. So if you don't know who BG Cumby is, this is the kid that trolled the world. He trolled CNN, trolled Fox News. And anyways, I just want everyone to take a listen to this.
My ideal society would be ruled over by singers, celebrities, and Harry Potter characters. In Wakanda, they actually place great emphasis on the nuclear family and heteronormativity. I mean, what the heck? It's 2018. Men and women aren't meant to make families together and form cohesive communities among other like-minded people.
I want you to listen to that. See? Now in Hollywood, the backbone of any country starts with the family. Look at Russia, for example. Russia's been getting stronger. Russia's pro-family. In Hollywood, America, we are anti-family. And if you really stick to the principles that some people are pushing, it's exactly what they're saying. It's exactly what they want. Anti-family.
Okay? Everything
and you
is
being
supposed
broke.
to be in chaos, with vastly different cultures and people all mixed together in the same place. So there's constant turmoil with unmarried 30-year-old men playing video games and still living with their parents forever. And barren-wombed cat ladies living vicariously through Netflix shows. That's my world.
Oh my God, isn't it the truth? I know plenty of them. Do you? I know a lot of women that are 30, 40 years old and they're still like stuck in that same frame of mind. And boy, this kid nails it. Just nailing it.
Okay? It's 2018 here, folks. Personally, Big Gulag would like to see a slut march through the streets of Wakanda. That's what I would like to see. Women aren't meant to be mothers, okay? They should be on Tinder, hooking up with hundreds and hundreds of strange men per year until their wombs look like the inside of a roast beef sandwich and the population becomes unsustainable because birth rates are so low. No mother.
This kid is nailing it. He's nailing it. He's nailing it.
Mothers, no fathers, no communities, no churches.
That's what they
no
want.
God, just hedonism and chaos everywhere you look. That's the world I want to live in. That's called progress. That's real progress.
Yeah, remember, he's a troll. He's a troll that led Fox News to believe he was the lead of the Boston Antifa group, and he's not. He's just some like YouTube troll kid from 4chan, as he calls it.
You want the racist, sexist, traditionalist world portrayed in Black Panther? I'm sorry, but the last time I checked, those beliefs were mocked on The Daily Show. You better step in. Alright? You better step in line. You're going to prison for hate speech. Alright? You use sectarian language on the train, who knows where you'll end up. And guess what else? They'll tell you that this movie is all about African pride, all about showing how great Africa really is. Not a single scene of Black Panther was even filmed in Africa. I guess them white boys who made this film were too scared to go over there, to go over to Africa. Too afraid to step into my backyard and walk amongst the bulls. Bull up!
I'm a bull.
They only made this movie to trick our fellow POCs into watching it.
So are you
and
guys.
getting more money from us. That's why we all need to band together. All of my POCs, all of my allies, all of my proud brothers and sisters in the LGBT army. And we need to start a campaign to downvote the racist movie.
He said to start a campaign to downvote. Woo!
Until it has a 0% fan score. Show all these Hollywood fat cats and suits that we're not going to be brainwashed so easily. T'Chilla, as far as I'm concerned, Chadwick Boseman, he's nothing but an alt-right troll to me. He's no better than any other white supremacist out there like Yiannopoulos or...
There's a certain part I'm looking for. Hopefully it's coming up soon where it's just gold.
Or Big Man Tyrone, or even worst of all, Felix Kjellberg, leader of the Aryan Brotherhood. Black Panther is the newest hate symbol for the alt-right. Mark my words. Pepe the Frog is a hate symbol. Alright? The Porgs from Star Wars. So is Black Panther. Next step, I'll make Harry Potter a hate symbol. Dang Ellen DeGeneres it takes to fight. I'm so scared, guys. Is a Nazi movie. Please to fight back.
Damn, he said something about
into shucking and jiving for them over this racist movie.
Talks about how having borders and security is racist. Anyway, so BG Gumby, here we go. This is when he trolled. He was able to get on Fox News. He sent them a message saying he was the leader of Boston Antifa, and he got him. Now, as far as profit trailer, we're having some problems here, manual buying and letting the bots sell. Look, so when I buy a coin to pump it, it's not registering. And I went to the support to, they told me like I can enter it with this hot config on every one, and even that didn't work. So a little help, anybody, if anyone knows how to do it. But the problem was when I was trading Bitcoin pairs, I could do a manual buy. A lot of you guys were there. Fire off a barrel. We call it firing off a barrel and let the bot do the selling. Now when I make oh, shit. Was it because I was using BTC? Oh, wow. Well, I think that was the problem. So let's go ahead and sell this. Let's sell that for a profit. Or not. What did I buy it at? 32217. I'm selling it for 32225. Alright, that's fine. We'll get rid of it. What? Ah, this is all messed up. Alright, XLM. Is the XLM sold? Could have solved my own problem. Okay, the XLM sold. We sold that for a profit. Alright, now let's try this. Ooh, just got 8 up. Alright, now we're going to wait and see if it shows up in our Ethereum pairs, and it looks like we just made a little sale here. Ooh, that was a nice one. ETC, we DCA'd on that. Made a nice little 43-cent gain on there. I can't wait to be pumping this shit up. So we're going to see. We're going to see. This week's going to be an exciting week. I'm going to feel good when Bitcoin's taken off because my shit coins are only going to be trading themselves. My Bitcoin positions are going to be making a bunch of money. So going into the week, hold your Bitcoin. I'm buying more Bitcoin. No more playing with our Bitcoin. No more gambling. No more gambling websites. No more using trading bots. If you think you're gaining Bitcoin position, you think you have figured out with your Bitcoin pairs, then you better start a YouTube channel because nobody else does. That's why I got part of the reason why I, grew so fast, because people came to me. Let's not forget, people came to me because my settings. All right, so this is working. My settings were the savior. So when bigger YouTubers come and talk shit, I took it easy. I could say a lot more. And all I would be saying is the truth. And the truth is people came to my channel because my settings were kicking ass. And they still kick ass these days over anybody else's. So everyone can eat. Never mind. Eat your gains in crypto. And have a good time. Friends and foes. Pimps and hoes.